Hey guys, Amanda over here, and today's gonna be a wonderful day because guess where I'm going? If you can tell by the shades, not really. I'm going to the beach for the day with a close friend of mine, Des, obviously. And the next time you see me will be in the car heading over there. So I'll get some shots, some videos, and pictures. For you to see. So yeah, almost tripped. Anyway, so I see you guys in the road. But it feels so good, nice winter, see that? Oh yeah. Alright, talk to you when I get back. At the road anymore. I'm in Walmart now with my brother. Say hi, Macho.
Hello.
Yeah, so the beach was awesome, and planning to go back soon with my friend that you just saw, and that's it. So I'm gonna end the vlog here, and I see you guys in the next video. If you like this video, leave the comments down below, press the like button, and that's it. I think next time I'm gonna do a poppin' cooking type of thing. So if not, it'll be a different video. Anyway, bye.